Can I talk to the woman who keeps asking herself quietly, is it too late for me? Because if that's you, this message is for you. I see you, we see you, hindi ka tamad, hindi ka kulang, pagod ka lang. You've been working hard, taking care of everyone else, your family, your friends, your loved ones, putting your dreams on hold again and again. And sometimes you wonder, may chance pa ba ako? Pwede pa ba akong magsimula ulit? So, let me remind you of something important. Walang age limit ang pangarap at kung may nilagay ang Diyos sa puso mo, hindi yan aksidente. You're not behind, you are not late as well. You are right on time, God's time. If your heart is craving for a change, more time with your family, less stress, a future that feels lighter, maybe this is not just another video you scrolled past. Maybe this is your sign. You know, this online business became a door for me. Hindi siya madali at hindi rin siya instant, pero step by step. And also my system, my guidance, my support, at higit sa lahat, hindi ako nag-iisa. So, if you feel scared, that's okay. Because courage doesn't mean wala kang takot, wala tayong takot. It means you take one small step kahit nanginginig ka pa. So, when you're ready, message me. I'll walk with you. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa journey na to. Your time is now and God's plans for you are always perfect.